Are you struggling to meet fuel consumption reporting requirements and decarbonization goals? We have the solution for you. ConnectFuel is a hardware and software solution that helps vessel owners accurately measure and report fuel consumption. It's easy to install. Simply attach a clamp-on or inline flow meter to the vessel's fuel line, or use data from existing flow meters if they have a digital connection such as Modbus. The data collected by ConnectFuel is highly precise and not susceptible to manipulation. You can use it on board the vessel or transmit it to the cloud for use by onshore staff. ConnectFuel is especially useful for vessels without digitally connected flow meters. It provides a quick and easy solution for accurately measuring fuel consumption with minimal or no downtime. And with its seamless integration into vessel performance optimization platforms through an API, ConnectFuel is the perfect choice for reliable fuel consumption data. Choose ConnectFuel for accurate, real-time fuel consumption data you can trust.